In this video, I'm going to share with you new Fiverr affiliate service that you should promote on Facebook if you want to earn commission like this, okay? $245 just using free traffic promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you new Fiverr affiliate service that you should promote on Facebook, okay? So let's get started. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You're just gonna use your email address to sign up. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr, okay? So what you will do is you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this and go to community and click over here on affiliate, okay? And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see, okay? So you can check this website, check commission plan, so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote. So if you scroll down, for example, and okay, let me see, and you click over here on see commission, they are paying a good commission. As you can see over here, it's up to $115. That's a lot of money. If it's just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $115, okay? And if you scroll down, this is the services that they are offering, and this is the price of commission you're gonna get for each person who will buy any services from your affiliate link. Up $15 for those services, graphic and design, data programming and teach, and $14 for those services, website builders, music videos, and so on, okay? So they are paying good commission. So to join Fiverr affiliates, what you need to do is you just need to click over here on join now, okay? You will be directly in this sign up process page, as you can see. So as you can see, it's easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private, okay? Then scroll down, you will answer a few questions, choose your country and choose your language, okay? And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next and follow a few questions, and that's it. As you can see, it's easy and simple. Anyone can sign up, okay? After you finish, you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate, okay? So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account with Fiverr, okay? So what you need to do now, okay, is you need to go back to your Fiverr homepage, okay? Go back to Fiverr to your homepage, okay? So now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Facebook if you want to earn commission, okay? So what you will do, click on this search over here and search for YouTube editing, okay? Search for YouTube editor or YouTube editor like this, and you will find a lot of sellers here that are providing this service. So I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, and so on. Sellers that has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate service and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? So for example, let's choose one of those sellers, okay? So let me see, let's scroll down, okay? Those, for example, those sellers over here are quick. They provide quick delivery and top quality, as you can see over here, okay? Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one, okay? This one is level 2 seller. He has 5 stars, a lot of reviews, and he is selling this service just for $10. So people can try this service. So click on his service like this. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, as you can see, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to click over here and you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so just copy his profile link, then go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Click over here and put your this seller profile link here, okay, like this. Then click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do is you just need to copy this link from here, okay, like this. And as you can see, this link is too much long, so we need to make it short, okay, to look professional and good. Okay, so you can go to Google and you can use Bitly. Okay, go to Google, search for Bitly. It's easy and simple. This website make long links short and you can use it for free. Okay, so this, after you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on create new link, put your affiliate link here like this, and click over here on create, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be like this. So copy this link from here. So now we need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook to people who will be interested to buy this service. Okay, so what you will do next is you will go back to your Facebook home page, okay, and click on the search over here and search for YouTube subscribers. Okay, search for YouTube subscribers like this. Scroll down, click over here on groups, okay, like this, because we need Facebook groups. And here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups here that you need to join. Okay, so make sure to join all those groups. Okay, so what you need to do next, so let's say for example you want to promote your affiliate link on this group. You will click on this group like this. Okay, you will be directly in this page. You will find a lot of people here who has YouTube channels. They will be, as you can see, this one put his YouTube video link here in the comments. You will find a lot of people here, as you can see, this one and this one, YouTube. They are putting their YouTube videos links here. They want to get more views, more subscribers, and grow their YouTube channels. Okay, so they will be interested to use my service, okay, this affiliate service. So what you will do is you will click over here on write something and you will create a post. So put your affiliate link here like this. Okay, this is my affiliate link, as you can see. Okay, so people will be interested to use this service to edit their YouTube videos, gaming, vlogs. This seller can edit any type of videos, as you can see, gaming, vlog, or any type of videos professionally, just for $10, and he is level 2 seller. So people will be interested to use this service. Okay, so what you will do is you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr, scroll down, and you can see over here about this gig. Okay, so what you will do is you will copy his description. I'm gonna copy this part, for example, like this, and you will go back to Facebook, put this description here like this. Are you looking for professional video editing service that can deliver in 24 hours? Then you come to the right place. And as you can see, I have professional skills. So this is your description about your affiliate service. This is your affiliate link, as you can see. So what you need to do now is you just need to click over here on post. Okay, and your affiliate link will be posted in this Facebook group. Make sure to promote your affiliate links on a lot of groups, not just in one Facebook group. You need to use a lot of YouTube Facebook groups, so your chance to get commission will be high. The more affiliate links you promote, the more you can get your chance to get commission will be high. Okay, so that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.